For my next video, I'd like to do one on the app that's a Samsung app. It's not Good Lock. It's like Good Lock. It's called Good Guardians. So instead of going to Good Lock, which I've done many videos on their plugins, of course, so Good Lock looks like this if you haven't seen it before. And it has all the different plugins and stuff. Update there, I'll get that. And this app is called Good Guardians. So it's a utility app with different plugins. And they just updated a lot of the new, well, they updated the complete Good Guardians and then a few of the plugins for One UI 9, which, to give a little preface, I'm using the Samsung S26 Ultra with One UI 9 Beta 3. So this is going to work for One UI 8, One UI 8.5, One UI 9. They did a lot of updates on complete under the hood operations for the Good Guardians. So let's go ahead and get right into it, as I like to say. So Good Guardians is, first off, it's obtained by going to the Samsung Store app. I always get that wrong. Not the Google Play Store, the Samsung Store, which is this one right here. Okay, so you have to download that, then you have to go to that to get the Good Guardians. Okay, so here's our Good Guardian. And there's several different ones here. The one that I kind of want to work on today, and we'll do more videos on this plugin app down the future, but I want to do one on the app booster. So this is a great app. But I want to show you how to use it properly. So my last optimize was 17 days ago, albeit was also with the old version, so it may be different now, I'm not sure. But you want to only optimize apps used in the last 30 days and improve performance up to 5%. Some apps may be restarted and your device will heat up during optimization. Runtime, it's going to say that's about 5 minutes. But they say you don't want to do this unless it's up to a 15% improvement. So if you're going to only improve up to 5%, it's not running it. It's not worth running. Okay? Especially for me, I have almost 700 apps here. And it's going to tell me, we suggest you run Galaxy App Booster right after OS upgrades, and after that once a week to maximize performance. So I suppose I could run it. It's not going to kill anything or hurt anything. It's just normally I don't run it unless I get a major software update, or this says improve performance and it says up to 15% or more. So, but let's just go right into it and I'll show you what it does when you optimize. And let's hope it doesn't turn my video off. But optimize, and they're going to start going through every single app. Optimize your apps. If your device is overheating, optimizing may be stopped. That's another neat feature of this app, is they have a heat app, a heat plugin, for want of a better word, that you can actually control the heat when it starts to heat up, what happens if it hits a certain temperature, etc. That's all in another subject, though. I'm getting off topic. So this is to optimize your apps, as it says, Galaxy App Booster. So we're only 37, 38, 40. And you have to remember, this is the S26 Ultra, so this is a lightning fast phone. So This is doing a lot of processing right now on looking at which apps and checking out which apps are being used the most, where they should be optimized the most, etc. And that's basically it for this. There's not a whole lot else that you can do with the app booster. That's really it. It does itself its own optimizations. There's no settings for it. You just go in, start or stop it. So I'm going to let this finish. I don't think it'd be a really good idea to start it and then stop it and then start it and stop. That could cause some app or file problems that are, you just don't want to do that. Let it run all the way out. It could corrupt some things, but I've never done that, so never had that problem. So anyway, this is a great app to optimize your apps and make them run better and smoother, and there's no downside to it really. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.